you Rudyard Kipling fans will know the tale of how an elephant got its trunk on the banks of the great grey, green, greasy Limpopo. One of Africa's apex predators, the Nile crocodile. Nile crocodiles have been 180 million years. They've been crocodilians. If he's, they've disappeared, don't worry. You know what, I've actually, I didn't actually see it happen, but, I've seen the aftermath of a male lion that was actually taken by a crocodile in the Sabi Sands. Let's just hang a few more minutes, see if that crocodilian pops up. In the meantime, let's have a look what's over here. Oh, look at those Drongos, if you can, in front of us. Drinking and dipping. Oh, it looks like they're having a ball. Small flock of fork-tailed Drongos. Drinking, as well as sort of bathing and dipping. There's a single hippo bull by the looks of things. Probably a bull, young bull that's been pushed out of the water where there's an adult bull, so he's getting old enough that he might possibly one day pose a threat. Well, a crocodile doesn't seem to have come back up, but nice to know there is still a crocodile, even though we did find tracks. Oh wait, that could be quite interesting. Up ahead there, it looks like a squirrel's about to go try a drink. Or he could be sifting through the elephant dung for marula nuts as well. It's quite close to the water. Or maybe sifting through. No film. I'm just waiting for the vehicles to cycle through there. There's still 3 there. And so, quite interesting. What Vian is now focusing on there is 2 different species of bird nests. The big communal nest, which is basically looks like a big pile of branches. There's actually quite a lot of thorns in there. Is a red-billed buffalo weaver's nest. And then the smaller nests are also weaver's nests. My identifying weaver's nest is a bit rusty, but it's either a masked weaver or a village or villatine weaver nest. Well, the crocodile hasn't resurfaced, so we're just going to turn around. And some of the other Buffleshoek residents, I hear them behind me as they walk in. So there's some buffalo bulls arriving. Those buffalo bulls arriving to come spend their day of leisure in the mud. Hello, old boys. Old elephant dung on the road, and unfortunately not fresh. It's possible that herds just passed through during the night.